right, go ahead. Uh-oh. Ooh.
Tipped over 2.
It did tip over. Notice that. 5, 6, 7.
Wait, there's a nickel in there.
Hold on. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Hey, wait, stop. Count them. Count them. A little fast.
13,
There you go.
14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Starting to get wet. 19, tipping good bottom. 21, 22,
23,
24,
25,
26,
27.
29, 30, 31,
I noticed that this boat tipped right over on the side.
33,
So the design
it's on 35.
didn't work exactly how they wanted,
Oh, a few more.
but it's holding up. Hold on.
How much are they at?
Getting wet. How many you at? How many you at? Stop.
How many? 30 something.
Well, we need to know.
No. 20 something. No, 30.
30?
30.
Well, we'll keep going. We'll count it.
31, I think.
Once it starts to sink, I'll get my hand in there. Hold up. All right, it's still holding. Keep going. It's actually starting to work out nicely because as you put more weight in it, it's starting to... Gotta stop. Do you see what the boat's doing as you put more weight in it? It's starting to tip back a little bit.
Yeah,
Seems like it's helping it.
noticed.
Keep going.
Put more on this side.
It's a good call right there, Chloe. Or Kaylin.
Okay. We're gonna have to put all
Wow.
these in. This one could be the winner.
This one's doing really well right now.
Yeah. Say
Impressive.
really good.
The weight is helping it balance out from the... It was on its side before.
What the heck? That one's gonna win.
Oh, hold on. Stop.
And it's sinking.
It's taking on water. We'll let it sink. Excuse me. I want to grab that. so we
Oh,
count
it's
the
in the
pennies.
pennies. Yeah, there it goes.
Oh,
that was awesome.
Hold on now,
That
hold on.
was death.
Hold on. Watch out.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Watch out. Can you move those napkins, please?
There's a bunch
Boom.
of pennies.
All right, we got to count those.
Okay, yeah. Oh.
The boat's done. But can the team members count those, please?
Okay.
We have 29 for the other team.
Two.
Very good.
3. Can I take all these pennies
Wow,
out?
nice job.
6, 7, 8.
I think the cards just